Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to share Fashion Nova cart. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fashion Nova application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Fashion Nova. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Fashion Nova videos, where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the home screen where we have everything for men, plus curve, we have for women, kids, and beauty. We have some new in clothes and those things. And we also have the search bar at the top where we can go and search for anything on the Fashion Nova application or store. We have the shop where you can see all the clothes, and again the search bar where you can again go and find anything that you would like. We have the bag, which is at the moment empty for me, but here you can go and add your items that you would like to buy in the future. And also we have the wish list where you can also go and like some of these things, so they are here in the wish list so that you can maybe buy them later. Also we have the me where you have your orders, notifications, we have the notify me list, help center, and we have of course at the end the log out option. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and share the Fashion Nova cart. To do so guys, you'll need to go to the cart or the bag, how it's named on the Fashion Nova, click on it in the middle, and here when you have it, you can go and share your items here when you have some. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.